What's going on, everyone? Today's the 31st of January, 2023. We're talking about Coinbase today and trying to see if it's still too early to see this price go up in Coinbase. You guys can already tell as I zoom in on the price chart that we did anticipate higher prices in the market in Coinbase. Here we are today. Price last trade at $56.16. Is it still too early? Is it too late for us to come in and participate on this recent move higher in Coinbase? Take a look. Since the beginning of January to the last day, which is today, the market in Coinbase ran 100%, 95% in 1 month. Fantastic. From the low to the high. The month of January was very positive for a lot of stocks. Now, a lot of people are becoming noticed and keen as to what's been going on throughout the month of January, and they may have actually missed out on these moves. People are obviously now going to come in and try to take some profit. But now you're going to see more and more influencers and people on social media thinking that this is the new start of a bull run. And we've already seen the stock run 96% in Coinbase. That's why it's very important for you to be ahead of your competition and not those who lag behind. So look at this. I did a video in Coinbase right here on the 11th, looking for price to go up. Price has broken my resistance area around 49. I have my ultimate TB price right there at 49.50, which is around 13.8%. If we were to get out the market on the last trade of yesterday, that has turned to 29.25. Congratulations to those who also saw the same thing that we were predicting, because you also was able to capitalize off of the price move. Now, first things first, this is the trend. And you guys can see that it was pretty volatile the last 2 days in the market in Coinbase. Right there on Friday, market closed 15.75. Yesterday, the market went down 8.5%. What is going on? Well, we're coming right back to this area of consolidation. Okay, which is nothing wrong with that. If we're just going to see the market and Coinbase consolidate, then we already pretty much have an idea as to how we need to be looking at the market. We shouldn't be massively bullish. We shouldn't be massively bearish. Okay. So this is good for us to see price in Coinbase, though, come back into this trading channel. Okay. Do you think we're right back into the trading channel, or do you think we're just simply going to continue to trade down? What do you think? Because as of right now, it doesn't look like the market is trending down in Coinbase, and I'm going to lower this area here for support. And these two lines is going to represent what I think market is going to do. Okay, so the reason why we saw so much volatility the last 2 days in Coinbase is because the market back in October, I would even say going all the way back in May, you guys can see how the market was utilized $60 as support right here. So let me zoom in so you all can see it a little bit better. The market was seen as support at that particular moment in time, right? It was even acting as resistance back in July, support. So this is a very important level now that we're seeing into the market in Coinbase. It has to break above 60 in order for us to maintain any bullishness or idea that price is going to continue to go up. It has to. So I will have to say, over the next couple of trading days, buyers needs to break price above 60, or at best, don't let price fall below 50. Okay. Look at this on the 2-day chart, because generally I would say that price is still bullish given what occurred on this last completed 2-day price bar right here. This current 2-day price bar, though, is telling me that they're sellers now. It's telling us that, yes, even though we're still leaning more towards price going up, this current 2-day price bar is telling us you might want to pull back on how you think price is going to go, though. Check this out on the 3-day. You see it again on the 3-day chart. A very good prior 3-day price bar is seen, but the sellers is coming right back into the market. Looking at this on the 5. 8 hours and 40 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar, and I don't like how the price is closing off of the highs. It tells us that sellers are here. Look at this on a weekly chart though. So if you're trying to play this from a weekly perspective, the last 3 weeks in the market in Coinbase has been fantastic. It's just this current one that doesn't look too good right now. 2 weeks chart. So even here on the 2 weeks chart, we're still seeing indication that the strength into the market is still there. So from this time frame, 1 week, 2 weeks, even here on the 3 weekly chart, it is reflecting that price is still geared to go up. Like the easiest chance for price to move is up rather than down. It looks like the buyers are currently trying to move the market. The only thing that's in its way is 60 bucks. That's it. Market breaks 60, we're going to $70, possibly even up here toward this top resistance line of around 80. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to play some strength into the market in Coinbase still, but I definitely want to put this into context. I'm not saying that the market's going to go up today, it's going to go up tomorrow, but rather maybe on a weekly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame, we can see the market in Coinbase continue to trend up. So it's going to be some volatility because we've already addressed and told you that $60 is the area and that the market has seen as support and resistance back here to the left of the chart. Okay, so here it is. Last trade was around $56.16. Since we already know that $60 is resistance, that needs to be one of the first levels that will take some profit off the table, right? That's only logical. And you guys can see price runs back up to 60 in Coinbase. That's 7% there. So that's the first price level. My second level would be around $66, give or take. It's 18% there. My third one is going to be around 70, which is 25% move there. So definitely want the market in Coinbase to hold around 45. I would be cool if it was to dip a little bit lower, because it's kind of, you can't distinguish where the buyers really are at here. You cannot distinguish where buyers are opening up their wallets and buying Coinbase. It might be towards 40. So I might have to lower that down, the support area down here towards 40. We'll hold it here just for the time being though. Okay. So I'm done. I want you all to go ahead and give me your thoughts about Coinbase though. Do you think it's still a buy? Where the probability, if you were to put this on a probabilistic basis, do you think chances of seeing price go up is greater or is it diminishing? All since we now know that $60 is impacting the upward move right now. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.